Hey guys, kumusta? So, I am outside again. Kasi naman, yung last time, nalabas ko on my own. Anong natuwa ako masyado nun? Kahit parang, wait lang, because somebody is coming in here. So, today, I am outside again to date myself. And baka maging series na dito because I kind of find it exciting. So, I wanted to test, I want to explore again. So yeah, I'm dating myself again. I wanted to try something new as well. So, I have here my book. Before kasi parang ang corny sa akin nung idea na ano yung magda-diary ka. Kasi parang, no, I'm not a kind of girl. Pero ngayon, hindi ko parang naisip-isip ko. Parang kasi after nung date ko ulit, nung last time video ko, sabi ko, bakit kaya hindi ako mag-try na something new? So, writing on my diary is one of the new idea na gusto ko